Hey guys, we got ourselves a little bit of a bonus video now. I got this Amana, this 10,000 BTUs for free off of a co-worker. It's heavier than it looks. It's definitely got a rotary compressor on there though. I don't know the brand name of it. Van Berg commented and said he might not. Said it's like starts with an M. I don't know. I don't really care about rotary compressors. I'm out of breath. I just carried this all up my long ass driveway, but I got the compressor should kick on right now. So we're gonna stop messing around because I had to warm the probe up a little bit. So I'm gonna hop over to the other side. And we'll there's the Westie already. Fire it up. Looks like a spider's web in there. So this is going right back outside when I'm done. Try a low cool. I don't think it's been used anytime recently, though he says it used to be in his house. It's blowing cold already. It's already blowing out into the 50s. How many temps we got back there? Take a little bit longer to build head pressure, so let's let it run for a few minutes to see what she's got. Claims to be high efficiency, which I mean I guess it is. Looks like it's 10,000 BTUs and uses 1,040 watts. So that brings it just a hair under a 10.0 energy efficiency rating. Thing is nasty though. I'll have to check my arsenal and see if I have a grill for it. If not, one of you guys can have it for free. Just either come get it or arrange for you ship. And it's yours. But again, let me see if I can find see if I have a grill for it first. And we just lost our compressor. Oh well. It's pretty loud. Medium. High. I mean, with all honesty, these probably are one of the last great units they made. These are solid, they're good. And they're really nice looking units when they're complete. And this one is in dire need of a good cleaning. If I can turn it around, we'll get a look at the back quick before I put it outside. Side panels are a little screwed. Alright. I'm stuck. Alright. Yeah, I'm not playing games right now. We're just going to look at the back like this. Typical 3 vertical rows of diffuser fence with an Amana sticker on the back. Looks like the base pan's in decent shape. The slide out chassis. Wow, the base pan's in great shape. I don't see any rust at all. Okay. So she's well worth fixing up. The compression mounts look phenomenal. Okay, so she's not getting thrown away. If I have a grill for it, I'll do a restoration on it when I get time or when I get around to it. And if I don't have a grill for it, one of you guys can have it for free. Just arrange for either pickup or arrange for you ship. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Peace out. Let me know what you think. Till the next time.